bacon, tocino. Some scallions. Entonces tocino y cebollín ahora. Onion. Cebolla morada. Carrots and potatoes. Zanahoria y papa. We're gonna add some water to this and let it cook. Vamos a añadir un poco de agua y dejar que se cocine. But first, we're gonna add some herbs, garlicky herbs. Un poco de hierbas con ajo. Yeah, this pot is definitely too small. Esta olla es muy chica porque después tengo que agregar mejillones o choritos y ostiones. I have to add mussels and scallops after, and some corn also, también un poco de choclo. So I think this pot is gonna be too small. I'll just let it cook. Corn. Slightly change your plans. I'm not gonna use mussels. Let's see what happens when they add yogurt. Plain yogurt. I feel like it'd be similar to adding cream, right? I think I'm gonna saute the scallops. Voy a saltear las ostiones. Put some butter here. They're this size. A little bit too big, I think, so I'm just gonna cut them. Los voy a cortar un poco porque están muy grandes. Salt, a little bit of garlic, the hierbas, a little bit of some herbs. Leave that there for a little bit. Look at that. Maybe a little bit here to get the garlic. The scallop soup. I think this could be the base for any type of soup, huh? Puede ser la base para cualquier tipo de sopa. You can make it with chicken, pork, beef, other mussels, fish, whatever, and it would still turn out good. Okay, friends, let's see you later. Nos vemos. Chao.